Hi, today in this video we are going to discuss Cori-Bakshi-Shibata reduction. It is also called CBS reduction or Cori-Itsuno reduction. In this video we are going to discuss the reaction, mechanism, how it occurs and examples of CBS reduction. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Before that, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Let's begin. CBS reduction reaction. The Cori-Itsuno reduction is also called CBS reduction. It is a chemical reaction in which an achiral ketone, here achiral ketone is taken, is enantioselectively reduced to produce the corresponding chiral non-racemic alcohol. This alcohol is chiral and it's non-racemic. Thus, the ketone, which is achiral, is converted into chiral alcohol by using the catalyst, which is oxoza-borylidine catalyst. This is the structure of this one, and BH3 ligand is present here. Here the ligand is usually the THF, Me2S, diethyl and others are used as ligand here, and R dash, which is here, can be the H or alkyl group. Here the R1 should be greater than R2, which means this should be longer chain and this should be shorter chain. Let's see the mechanism. This is the catalyst, oxoza-borylidine catalyst. This is the resonance form of this one. First step, the BH3 is added over here. The BH3 is added to this nitrogen. After that, the chiral ketone, which is achiral, is added here. The syn phase of the ring proton, this proton is more available to attack, so it attacks to this proton. This chiral ketone is added over here, and this bond sheets over here and this bond sheets over here, forming this compound. After that, the chiral alcohol, this is the chiral alcohol, is the product of this reaction, is obtained over here, and the catalyst is regenerated. This is the mechanism of CBS reduction. Let's see some examples. This is the starting material. Here a chiral ketone is present here. This is the catalyst and BH3 is added. It is 89% enantiomeric excess. The alcohol, which is chiral, is present over here. This is the chiral alcohol and this is a chiral ketone. This is taken from tetrahedron asymmetry. Let's see this example. This is the starting material. The chiral ketone is present over here. The CBS reduction happens here. Here this chiral ketone is converted into chiral alcohol. You see here the 4 different groups are present, and this is chiral. Thus, achiral ketone is converted enantioselectively into the chiral alcohol is the CBS reduction. This is the CBS reduction. This example is taken from tetrahedron letters. Guys, you see this example. This is the reactant. Here the CBS reduction occurs. This achiral ketone is converted into chiral alcohol. Here the catalyst is oxoza-borylidine catalyst and the BH3 is present over here, forming this achiral ketone into a chiral alcohol. This is taken from tetrahedron letters. You see this example. This is the starting material. Here this is the catalyst and BH3 THF is added. Here the THF is the ligand and BH3 is added over here. This is 98% and 92% enantiomeric excess. This ketone is converted into alcohol. Thus, this achiral ketone is converted into a chiral alcohol. This is the CBS reduction. CBS reduction. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you like it, share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Stay tuned until the next video. Have a good day.